let's continue with the implementation of our client, which is going to display the person data inside the form. Again, I see we have unsaved changes, so let's save all the files. What we want to do is add an event handler. So when the user clicks the submit button, code will respond to the user's action. So what we want to do is double click on the submit button, and that's going to take us to the code window. If we're in the code window, then we don't need the toolbox, so we can auto hide the tools. So when the user clicks the button submit, what we want to do is instantiate an object of our person data class. So what I'm going to do is use person as my data type. My person will be the name of the variable. And what we want to do is to create a new instance of that class. So we'll use the new keyword, and person is the data type, and it's a method, so we use a pair of parentheses, semicolon, and hit the enter key. What I want to do is to take the data from the text boxes and apply them to, or assign them to, the members of my person class. So we want to use my person, and then we want to set first name. We use a parentheses, then we can say we want to take the value from the text box for the first name, and where we get the data for the text box is in the text property. So we'll select the text property, semicolon and end, and then my person. We're going to set the last name, and we'll grab the data from the text box for the last name. So now my person is an object, and it has values for the first name and the last name. And if I want to take the data from my person object and display it in my label message, I'm going to say label message .text is assigned my person .toString. And that's going to be the implementation of our code. So you try.